Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Roblox doors in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So creating doors in Roblox Studio involves using various parts and scripting to make them function properly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make a simple door in Roblox Studio. So first of all, open Roblox Studio. So launch Roblox Studio and open the place where you want to create the door. Now, create the door model. Use parts to build the door frame and panels. Design the door in a way that suits your game or environment. Anchoring and collision. Ensure that all parts of the door are anchored and have appropriate collision settings. You want the door to block players, you want the door to block players from passing through when it is closed. Now, add hinge. So this is an optional action. If you want the door to swing open and closed, you can add hinge. You can use motor 6D or hinge constraints to create the hinge effect. Now, add a click detector. Add a click detector to the door so that players can interact with it. The click detector will allow the door to open and close when clicked. Script the door. So select the door model, go to the Insert tab, and choose Object. Then select Script to create a new script that will control the door's behavior. So here, script the door. So in the script, write the code to handle the door's opening and closing. Here's a basic example of a door script using click detector and twin service. Okay, so this is the example code. So once you've done that, the last thing that you need to do is to test the door. Save your place and click play to test the door in game. Interact with the door by clicking on it to see it open and close. Please note that this is a basic example of how to create a simple door in Roblox Studio. Depending on your specific needs, you can add more features and functionalities to the door, such as locking mechanisms, sound effects, or different opening animations. Feel free to experiment and customize the door to suit your game or environment. Additionally, always test your doors thoroughly to ensure they function as intended before publishing your game. Okay? So that is how you create a door in Roblox Studio. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!